Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming since I made a YouTube video, and today I am going to be doing a bag review and kind of like a what's in my bag situation for my Jacquemus Le Chiquito bag. And I'm going to be giving you guys the specs on this bag, where you can get it from, the price, pretty much the nitty-gritty on this bag here. So if you want to see what I have to say about this bag, stay tuned and keep watching. About this bag, what made me want this bag, and just pretty much what I love about it. So I definitely seen this bag on the runway 2019, and I've seen a lot of celebrities wearing it, and I thought that it was the most adorable little bag. I mean, it's so tiny and cute. I just thought it was like a one-of-a-kind bag. I had never seen anything like it, and I feel like this one strap handle is just like very unique. It's only on the front of the bag. It's not one on the front and the back, and I just thought that it had a very unique look to this bag, and that kind of just railed me in to wanting to get this bag. I'm sure you've seen a lot of celebrities wearing this, like Beyonce, Rihanna, Kylie Jenner, just a whole bunch of people. This little bag is very popular. So when I received this bag, it did come with a dust bag, and this is what it looks like. And the dust bag just still has the original tags on there. Give you guys some details on this bag, but first I'm going to actually just go on to the website so that I can show you guys. I want to give you the most accurate description of this bag before we get into the pros and cons of it all, just because I feel like if you know more about the bag, it may interest you more into purchasing one, or maybe you had your eye on it and you just need a little bit more encouragement on what it is to love about this little bag. Then I feel like maybe these extra details could help with that. So all right, so this bag is a handcrafted calfskin clutch in black, rolled carry handle at the top with a detachable shoulder strap that you can wear as a shoulder bag, or you can also wear it as a crossbody. It has this gold hardware on it, but it's not a very shiny gold. It's more of a brassy gold color, which I love because it's more subtle and it's not so flashy. It's so much easier to wear with many different things. So I love that it had this kind of brassy gold hardware on there. So the sizing of this bag is approximately 4.5 inches in length. Then it is 3.5 inches in height. And then the width is 2.5 inches. So those are the specs for the bag, so you can kind of visualize the size. This bag was made in Italy. I think that's it as far as the details of it. I will show you guys the leather strap for it. So it does have this black leather adjustable strap here. As you can see, it comes with 7 adjustable holes where you can make it longer or shorter, however you prefer to wear it. And you can also do it as a crossbody, which is really cute. But another cool thing about this bag is that you can actually wear this bag as like a fanny pack. So if you want your hands to be totally free from carrying the bag, you can just put this bag on like this. Of course you have to adjust the strap, but I've actually worn this bag like this, where I just had it as a little fanny pack situation, and it's really cute this way as well. It's such an adorable bag. I really love it. Like I said, now I'm going to get into the pros and the cons of this bag. And the pros and the cons are definitely going to depend on the specific person it is that's interested in this bag and what it is that you're looking for when you are purchasing these items. It will kind of just differ, you know, with different people. So number one, this may not be a con for everyone, but it can be. The price point for this bag is between $495 and $510 for the Le Chiquito. That is a fairly large amount with the bag being so small. So I would think that that could kind of be a con, because the usability of this, like, you can't put all of your everyday essentials in here. For me, I can use this bag a whole lot, but for some people, they're not going to be able to get a lot of use out of it, especially if you're someone that needs to be able to have a bag that you can put your phone in. Your phone is absolutely not going to fit in this bag at all. Don't even think about it. It's not going to work. Not happening. It's not going to fit. So that can be a con for some people, especially with the price point being so high. But for me, in my opinion, I prefer to invest in the things that I really like and that I really want. And the older that I'm getting, the more I'm starting to slow down on fast fashion, where I'm spending a lot of money on things that hold no value at all. And I'm trying to lean towards things that has value and will hold value for a very long time, so that it feels more like an investment to me instead of just like throwing away my money. So for me, the price point isn't bad, because I've purchased many purses over the years where I've had to pretty much get rid of a bag just a few months after having it because it was poorly made. They used cheap material, and it's just like, after a while, it just gets kind of old having to constantly replace your bags. So I've been on this handbag journey, and I've been into like purses. I've always been into purses, but I've been like heavily into designer purses, and it's kind of like my thing right now. It's just something that I enjoy purchasing and collecting, and things that I plan to keep. I've already mentioned is you cannot fit all of your essentials in here. It's not gonna happen. This is pretty much the space that you are working with here. So that is it. That's a con. Like, that sucks, but at the same time, I do really think that the size makes the bag unique. So for me, that's not a problem. The pros for this bag for me is, I believe it's very stylish. I can see myself dressing this bag up, dressing this bag down, and I have worn it many ways where, you know, I'm all nicely dressed and I'm looking good. I can throw this bag on. It's very cute if I'm gonna be going out with my hubby, or if I'm just gonna hang out. And then I can also wear this bag as a casual bag because it is black, it's simple, it's not too much going on. It can be an everyday little small bag where you just throw your knickknacks in here, like a debit card, credit card, lip gloss, car keys. Like, those things can fit in here, cash. So it can be great for like everyday use as well. So I think that that is a pro. I think that that is a pro. Another thing is that this bag is like nothing I've ever seen before, and that really caught my eye, because it's just like, you see a lot of the same bags being remade by different brands and kind of just putting a little different spin on it, but this bag is like nothing that I have ever seen before, and I wanted it super bad because I feel like in the future they may not make this bag anymore, and I feel like it could become a vintage piece, in my opinion. So I think that that's pretty dope. That's pretty much all of my thoughts on this bag. It's very cute. It comes in different colors. You can get different colored leather, and you can also get different textured. So they have different textured ones. It's really cool. I'm gonna put some up on the screen so that you can see. The suggested part. Like I said, this bag came from the Jacquemus website, but you can purchase this bag pre-loved. You can purchase this bag on other sites. I know Essence has women's hands bag. They have this specific bag on their website, and they also have like 20% going off right now. 20% off going on right now. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I feel like it's going on for like the quarantine. You know, people are at home shopping, you know, finding things. They have a 20% off coupon. It's been up there for a while. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these bags and you want to save some coin, I would definitely recommend checking that out. Let me know. Are you guys into this little bag trend or no? Let me know. Sound off in the comments down below. Would you invest in a bag so small, or do you need much more space? Just let me know. So that pretty much wraps this up. I love this bag. It is super duper cute. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have some other things in mind that you would like for me to share. Let me know, and I will definitely try and get those videos out there for you guys. All right guys, see you later.